How has a snack food processor cut its cleaning time in half and reduced cleaning labor by 75%? By relying on Intralox to deliver inventive solutions for its belting and sanitation challenges. Calbee, a Japanese manufacturer of alternative snacks, owns a processing facility in Senatobia, Mississippi. The plant produces dried snacks made from extruded peas, black beans, and lentils for the company's Harvest Snaps brand. The problem? Dust particles from the food migrated into the hinges, cracks, and crevices of the inclined conveyor belt at the exit of one of the dryers. This required extended periods of cleaning and sanitation work to be done regularly. It also caused the plant significant unscheduled downtime. Cleaning involved roughly 40 minutes of pre-rinsing and demanded 3 or 4 employees to lift the belt, clean the frame, and remove debris. To pass ATP swab tests, which are critical for ensuring food safety, cleaning cycles often had to be repeated several times. Finally, the belt was at the end of its useful life, requiring regular inspections and repairs that cost the facility an extra 2 hours of downtime each week. The plant needed a solution. Calbee corporate engineer Corey Kennedy reached out to his Intralox account manager for help. After discussing several possible solutions, Kennedy chose to retrofit the conveyor to ThermoDrive belting in polyurethane A23 material. With its fully closed, homogeneous flat surface and lightweight design, ThermoDrive belting is easy to clean in place and requires less sanitation labor. The high temperature rating of A23 material makes it ideal for use with products coming fresh from the dryer. After the retrofit, Calbee plant managers saw immediate and measurable results. One person can easily lift the ThermoDrive belt and clean the frame, effectively reducing cleaning labor by 75% and cleaning time by 50%. In addition, the sanitation team now achieves a 100% passing score on ATP swabs without the need for additional cleaning cycles.
Once we switched to the ThermoDrive, the challenge of cleaning because of our particular product was made much simpler because there were no cracks and crevices. That engineering solution solved our problem.